Breaking news that's coming in. Rahul Gandhi is targeted the centre over the raids on celebrities, suggesting that the raids by the IT department was done because these celebrities supported the farmers' protest. The Congress has been in fact raising this time and again. Rahul Gandhi now also tweeting, saying that these celebrities are being targeted by the IT department, being targeted by the government because of the fact that they had expressed their support for the farmers' agitation against the farm reforms. This is something that the Congress has been saying. The likes of Taapsee Pannu, Anurag Kashyap have of course been very, very vocal against the government, and that's why, according to the Congress, they're being targeted. Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us with more details on this. Pankaj, again this whole charge by the Congress claiming this is political vendetta. How is the IT department choosing to respond to this kind of a charge?
Well, the IT department is not responding to such charges. IT department says that it has evidence at hand and it is working on it. Though it has not come on record, Akshata, at this point of time to say anything. What sort of evidence does it have at hand? But what we have learned through our sources late night yesterday is that they have found some concrete evidence, what they are saying, and that digital evidence is now being collected, and that is the reason why the searches are still on. But we have also learned that the searches are also taking place at around 30 places, not just in Mumbai, but in Pune as well. Right now, I am outside Anurag Kashyap's office in Andheri, Oshiwara area. And what we've been given to understand is that such raids and searches are being conducted at Anurag Kashyap's place, Vikas Behel, Madhu Mantena, and many other executives related with Quan Talent Management Company as well. IT department says that the searches will continue because they have some concrete evidence at hand. They are taking a digital backup of it, and that's taking some time. And though we have not seen any activity outside Anurag Kashyap's office here since morning, but IT department says that the activity of searches and raids is not isolated for one or two places in Mumbai, but altogether 30 places. So IT department seems to have widened its net since yesterday, and as you rightly pointed out, there is no end to politics over it. Yesterday it was NCP and the Congress leadership that had slammed the IT raids and had said that this is politics. Today we have the likes of Rahul Gandhi as well. It remains to be seen as to whether the government is going to answer to these charges, and we are also waiting as to when the IT department is also going to come out on record.
So there's no official statement from the IT department at this point. Pankaj, thank you for joining us with all those details. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi